Hi, my name is Xochitl Rodriguez, and I get to introduce you to our September challenge. September is Education Month at Real Life Trading. So for our live challenge, it is to learn something new. Take a course, learn something. Just as last month, I learned about AI. Now I've been using AI for several months, but one of our very own members, Chris Rembold, had created a course for artificial intelligence. I took the course and loved it. You can use Udemy, which is an online education platform. Their courses are very reasonable and the time is fantastic. You can find great courses for anywhere from 3 hours to like 16, 22 hours. So there's a great variety, and just have fun with it and learn something you've wanted to learn or thought about, but haven't made the time. Let's do that this September and learn something new. Now it's time for your trading challenge. This month, we're asking you to revisit your trading plan. And especially if you've been trading for a while, we have our plans memorized, and little by little, we start doing things that might not be in our plan. So revisit your plan, print it out, go over each and every step. Is that really what you are doing? If not, go ahead and change it, tweak it, make it current. And I also invite you to change the background, do something different so that it doesn't look like the same old plan you've been trading from for a long time. Now it's time for our exercise challenge. Now I'll be completely honest. I'm not one for those strenuous exercise challenges. They're just not my cup of tea. But I know it's important that we maintain active and that we challenge ourselves every month and stay physically fit so we can do what we're called to do in our life. So our challenge this month is for the people that don't like to move around as much. It is going to be to discipline yourself to walk 20 minutes a day. Now I know we hear that everywhere, but it's still something that's very good for our health. It's great for us to stop what we're doing and just go outside and take that walk. So 20 minutes a day. Now, the challenge for those of you that are physically fit and this is like nothing for you, your challenge is to invite someone who does not go out and exercise, someone who does not go out and walk. And that could be your cousin, your mom, an aunt, sister, whomever. But invite somebody that you know is not as active and say, let's go for a walk. And walk at their pace and just enjoy the time with them because you're encouraging them to do something that's great for their body. So there you have it. Those are our challenges. Have a wonderful September. And please reach out if you need anything from Real Life Trading. We're all here for you.